have a brand new product, Tesla Model Y, full dry molded side view mirror covers. These are beautiful dry molded carbon fiber covers with the complete rolled edge that covers up all of the leading edge paint of your original car color. So these look beautiful. They look like replacement caps, but again, they're only a cap that covers the exterior. We use a special resin. It doesn't slow down, interfere whatsoever with any of the antennas, whether it's the LTE, the Wi-Fi, or the GPS. These again are underneath the front of the mirrors, but our resin does not obstruct it or interfere with it at all. So let's talk about installing them and show you how beautiful they look once they're installed. So this is the first step, is to we recommend you follow our advice here. We recommend, first of all, you open the door, open it up all the way, and we're going to show you a super simple technique of putting it on. And it allows for adjustments, but the first thing you want to do is try the mirror cap. We always tell everybody, don't take the double-sided tape backing white material off until you're sure you love it. So take the mirror cap dry and just simply slide it on like this, and you can watch from the front. Then I'm pushing it down and around and right over the lip. And look how it fits. Make sure you love it. Make sure this is exactly what you expected. Look at the front, look at the leading edge. Look how none of your paint is exposed. And look at how beautiful these fit. Again, this is our glossy finish. We're gonna have a matte finish as well. But if you like it and you like how it fits, take it off. And now we're gonna show you how to install it. So what we have to do first is preparation. We've got to clean the surface of the mirror. We're going to call this a skull cap. So this is a skull cap, and this is a carbon fiber cap. We have to clean it really good with alcohol. Then we're going to show you how to lubricate it so we can slide this on perfectly. And then you're going to need 2 pieces of tape to hold down the edges. So all you're going to need is alcohol, rubbing alcohol. This is the diluted 50%. You want to use this, first of all, to clean the mirror. So you want to get all loose debris, oil, grease, anything off here. And this is why we keep the door open, so you're not spraying all over your windows. And once you have it cleaned and ready to go, that's step 1. Step 2 is to peel back all of the white, and we call this backing tape, because this is the backing paper that's stuck to the tape inside of the mirror caps. And again, if you find by chance that any of the tape is coming off, just push the edge down and then pick off the backing paper. Sometimes because of the clear coat inside of here, you can have an issue. So pick the end off and make sure you're not peeling any of the double-sided tape along with it. So you just pick at a corner, your nail, and pull it up slowly. If the black tape comes up, just push it back down and pick another spot. Not like this, but pick another spot and peel it off. We want to make sure that we have plenty of tape inside of here so it sits nice and flush and never comes loose. So again, notice this is 3M VHB tape, and this tape is going to secure itself to the mirror skull. And in order to do that, we don't want to just slip it on. We recommend you use the same alcohol solution. So you spray it on the mirror, making a fine mist. Then we're going to slide it on, and the alcohol mixture is going to act as a lubricant. And the lubricant's going to allow the cap to slide all the way down, because that's the most important thing, is making sure it's all the way down so it sits flush at the bottom and perfect on the front. So here we go. Ready? You just put it on like this and slide it. Make sure the lip is on and you're pushed all the way down. Then take your mirror, your cloth towel microfiber, and you want to apply pressure to the areas where the tape is so it sticks really good. So you'll notice that I'm pushing on this side where the double-sided tape is. Now the tape, of course, has to dry out. So that's why we use an alcohol solution, because it evaporates very fast. So wipe it off your car, wipe it off the mirror cap. Make sure you're all the way down flush. Make sure you don't see any paint showing. And of course, double check the front. And you have installed your mirror cap. Now, there's only one thing we have to do now. It's to actually tape it down and apply more pressure. We do that with using pieces of Gorilla Tape. Any kind of tape will work, but you don't want to tape it to any of the pivoting areas. You want to tape it to the bottom of the skull cap. So put some tape here and pull it down, applying pressure underneath. Same thing on this side. Again, I've pivoted the arm around, which you can do, and tape it on the top and pull it down and under. So now we've got some added pressure, and turn your mirror cap back all the way. We've got some added pressure on it now, and this will help secure it while it's drying out. Close your door. Be sure to pick up one of our turn signal indicator covers, and also our carbon fiber door handles, carbon fiber tees, and our spoilers, which are coming out soon in case you didn't buy a performance model. Thanks again. And of course, you just want to repeat this now on the driver's side. And we hope you love the beautiful hand-laid pattern. You can see how deep the three-dimensional look is achieved by the glossy finish. The matte is a flatter look, but you can see down deep inside why glossy is so popular. Thanks again. Glossy and matte in stock, limited supply, and then we're starting mass production next week. So if you order right away, you'll get them very soon. Thank you, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Now repeat on the driver's side, and you'll have your set installed perfect. Thank you.